the first letter from John, chapter 3, from verse 11 to verse 17. This are the message we hear from the start. We feel love one another. We not turn like Cain, we did make the devil rule him and make him go kill off him brother. And what make you think him kill him brother? Cause him brother do it right and Cain him do wickedness. My brother, nobody frightened if the world hate to know. We know so we not dead no more. And live we start live you now. We know this cause we love other people. All who no love them brother and sister, them dead same way. Anybody we hate them brother or sister, our murderer. And we know say no murderer can't live favor with God. As so we come to know real love, cause Jesus dead for we, and the same way we fi make up our mind for dead for we brother and sister them. If nobody seen brother or sister really short or something, and not help them even though him coulda help them, how would that somebody there I go say God love in them heart? A God word this. Thank God.